have two quick announcements to make before I start today's video. I'm having a meetup this Sunday, March 16th in Long Beach, California at 4 p.m. As I mentioned in my last video, I am leaving California, so I'm headed to Long Beach to say goodbye to my friends Stuart and Mark. Stuart has a bar in Long Beach, so that's where we're going to have the meetup. All the details is in the description box of this video. I know it's a last minute notice, but I hope you guys are able to make it out. I have about a 4-hour drive, so I will be rolling in on two wheels about 3:30 or 4 o'clock, but I will be there. Also, I am having a store-wide sale. Everything on my website is on sale. The link is in the description box below. Thank you so much for supporting my small business and my YouTube channel. I am forever grateful for all of your support. The link is in the description box below. Have fun shopping, and I hope I get to see you guys on March 16th at 4 p.m. All right, let's get into this video. Shea butter is a rich, creamy moisturizer made from the nuts of the shea tree. It's perfect for applying after a shower or as a daily pick-me-up. A little goes a long way. A tiny dollop can provide intense hydration, leaving your skin soft and glowing. Shea butter is known for its powerful moisturizing and protective qualities. It's a go-to solution for softening and hydrating dry skin. It reduces inflammation, shields your skin from environmental damage, and enhances elasticity for a visibly smoother appearance. It glides on your skin effortlessly without leaving a greasy finish. Perfect for all skin types. Shea butter is exceptionally gentle and safe, free from chemicals. Beyond delivering hydration, shea butter's remarkable healing properties makes it an excellent choice for improving the appearance of scars and stretch marks. It alleviates irritations caused by environmental stressors and relieves inflammatory skin conditions such as eczema, dermatitis, and paralysis. Rich in vitamins A and E, shea butter offers essential antioxidant protection. These vital nutrients combat premature aging, keeping your skin looking youthful and radiant. Your skin deserves the best. Unlock the remarkable benefits of shea body butter, your secret weapon for deep moisture, anti-inflammatory support, and nourishment. My unique formulation combines shea butter, raw mango butter, almond oil, jojoba oil, and vitamin E. Each ingredient is carefully selected for its nurturing properties, working together to hydrate and protect the skin. Don't miss out on the chance to elevate your skincare routine. Grab a jar of my shea body butter while supplies last and embrace the beauty of nourished, glowing skin all year long. Your skin will thank you.
Just wanna make me wanna scream. You light a fire, baby, cause it feels like a fever dream. I'll make it better, better. You make it wetter, wetter. Wanna tell you what I mean, but it might just be more than it seems. You are a jack of all trades, master of everything, the baddest, no debate. Feeling like I got nothing to lose. Then you ignited the fuse, about to blow up, kaboom. Check, attention, everybody show respect. Look at the moves, shimmy, make some room, make a shot. And one, baby, I'm on fire, cause you're burning up the floor. Got me captivated, I'm addicted, wanna see more. 끝없이 연결된 우리만의 universe. Like that, like that. Like that, like that. 숨막히는 이끌림을 더 높이 올려. Like that, 멈출 수가 없어. 느낌 그대로 계속 don't stop. See me like that. See me like that, oh well. See me like that. See me like that, oh well. See me like that. See me like that, oh well. See me like that. See me like that, oh well. Packing it, packing, you got nothing lacking. Headed to beauty, up on the string on my back, under control, I got my puppet. No lie, TY, high five. When you be talking, we got a connection for by Wi-Fi. Don't even need to try with you, everything is limitless. Perfect harmony, out between us, no dissonance. Just the rhythm that we follow, it feels like we can do anything. Just let your body rock, don't think, let it talk. 끝없이 연결된 우리만의 universe. Like that, like that. Like that, like that. 숨막히는 이끌림을 더 높이 올려. Like that, 멈출 수가 없어. 느낌 그대로 계속 don't stop. See me like that. See me like that, oh well. See me like that. See me like that, oh well. See me like that. See me like that.
eyes and think of you. When I'm sleeping with someone new, I can't help myself, I wonder if you still feel the way I feel when somebody calls you mine. Are you sleeping with someone new, someone new, when I'm sleeping with someone new, I just close my eyes and think of you. When I'm sleeping with someone new. My head above the water. Finally I can breathe again. Lost in the waves I wander, but in your eyes I see no pain. You're a holiday, a break from the rain. Sipping your sunshine, come take me away. In the water, finally I can breathe again. You're a dream, 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 dream. Standing in your presence, carry me away, honey. A dream, 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 dream. Make me lose my senses, carry me away, away. A dream, dream, dream. Come take me away. I see a new horizon. My 2 feet steady on the ground. With you I found my reason. Yeah, to keep chasing what we found. You're a holiday, a break from the rain. Sipping your sunshine, come take me away. New horizon, finally I can see again. You're a dream, 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 dream. Standing in your presence, carry me away, honey. A dream, 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 dream. Make me lose my senses, carry me away, away. Dream, dream, dream. Come take me away. You're a dream, dream, dream. Standing in your presence, carry me away, honey. A dream, 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 dream. Make me lose my senses, carry me away, away. A dream, dream, dream. Come take me away. My head above the water.
I have 12 jars of shea butter left in stock. I have 4 sugar kisses and I have 8 unrefined shea butter. Click that link in the description box below. Also, a friendly reminder, I am having a meetup this Sunday, March 16th in Long Beach, California. Please check the description box below for the address. I hope that you can make it out. Just want to say thank you to everyone for supporting my channel, for supporting my small business. I appreciate your support. Thank you, thank you, thank you. Thank you. Check the link in the description box below. Also, I wanted to mention this Sunday is when I was supposed to post part 3. My decluttering video is going to be slightly delayed. Hopefully I can post it next Wednesday. I got behind. I had a drive day and then I braided my hair. Took me 3 days to braid my hair. 3 days. Normally I can get it done in one day, but I had driving and a lot going on, so I wasn't able to do it in one day. That video is still coming. It's going to be delayed. So hopefully I can have it up for you guys on Wednesday, next Wednesday, because today is Wednesday. So hopefully next Wednesday. All right, guys. Thank you again. I'm not going to ramble on, but thank you so much for all of your support. I love you. I appreciate you. I'll see you in the next video. Bye.